A simple experiment to learn refraction of light. Take a transparent water tub. Fill it with clear water. Now take a laser beam light, point it to the water from one edge of the tub. This is refraction of light. Ray of laser beam got bent when it hit the water surface. This is called refraction. When light passes from one transparent medium into another, it gets bent. This bending is called refraction of light. This change of direction is caused by a change in speed. When light travels from air into water, it slows down, causing it to continue to travel at a different angle.